Hello friends, welcome back. Let's continue with next 5 important questions in the NLP interview readiness process. List the natural language processing components. Also, give a crisp note on each of them. There are many important components of NLP. We'll start with tokenization. It is the process where you split the text into small words or sentences. The next one is stop word removal. It is filtering out less meaningful words and less common words which are going to add any value to it. For example, the, is, all those things. Stemming and lemmatization, it is to reduce the words to their base or root form. Part of speech tagging, it's to identify the grammatical parts of the word. Named entity recognition helps you in identifying proper names in the text, like the names of the people or the city or the places. Syntactic parsing, analyzing the structure of the sentences can be done by this. Semantic parsing, we can understand the meaning of the words and sentences. Sentiment analysis, you can determine the sentiment or emotion expressed in the text. Machine translation, translating the text from one language to another can happen here. It's as simple as that. What are n-grams and how are they useful in NLP? N-grams are contiguous sequences of n items, which can be words or characters from a text. They are pretty much useful in NLP for language modeling, text generation, and feature extraction. I'll give you a simple example. In the sentence natural language processing, the 2 grams, which is bigrams, are natural language and language processing. This is the way we can understand n-grams. 2 grams, which is referred as bigrams, natural language and language processing. What is word-to-vec and how does it work? Word-to-vec is a very common technique used to create word embeddings by mapping words to the dense vector representations in a continuous vector space. It captures semantic meanings properly and relationships between words based on their context in the large text corpora. It can represent words like king and queen as vectors, where the vector for the queen is so close to the king in the vector space, indicating their semantic similarity. That's a very important point to remember. How can we handle out of vocabulary words in NLP models? OOV, we call it. That can be handled by replacing them with special token during training, using the character level models to generate embeddings, or using subword tokenization techniques like the simple byte pair encoding or word piece. This is again a very important technique which we normally follow. What are the common challenges in machine translation? Challenges in the machine translation are plenty, and that can go with handling the idiomatic expressions, preserving the context, style of the original text, dealing with ambiguous words or rare words, and achieving fluency and coherence in the translated output. All these are challenges that we normally will face with machine translation. We'll go ahead and handle next set of 5 questions in the next session. Until then, it's bye from me. Thank you.